driving me to the mall because we're gonna fetch child today, and look at her driving. So what do you want to say, Claire?
Hello.
So what route are we on?
We're here at Mission.
Is Mission a route, guys? Comment down below.
To Shina's Mall.
Yeah, I'm going to Wonderland, so I need to buy clothes when I go traveling, okay? And also she wants to buy some clothes. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for bye guys.
Tagalog.
Talalog.
You say Kabilugan.
Kabilukan.
Oh, Kabilugan.
Kabipukan.
Kabilugan. Ka. Bi.
Bo.
Say it, Misha. Lang ayos. Dali na.
Kabilugan.
Kabilugan.
Ferrari.
Say it. Sige na, sabi mo Tagalog.
Talalog.
Tagalog.
Talalog.
Pag umuwi ka ng Pinas, bala ka.
I don't know how to speak. I'm joking.
Sabi mo, opo.
Upo.
Upo. Kamusta po?
Kamusta po?
Kamusta ba?
Kamusta
Or can you
ba?
speak French na lang? French.
Ça va bien. Mon
How do you say
Wait,
ano?
mon mama and
Don't do that to your mom.
Mon mama and drew and
Let's cut your
dugagawan.
nails. Dugaga ka lang. You say, ambot sa imo.
Ang butsi ikong.